I'm so excited to share with you this cucumber caprese salad. It's a super easy make-ahead meal.
Hey, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm going to share with you how I make this delicious cucumber caprese salad. It has a bunch of mozzarella, cucumber, tomato, and fresh basil in it. It smells so delicious. Now we're going to go in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make it.
This recipe starts with some of my favorite summer vegetables: cucumbers, tomatoes, mozzarella, red pepper, and red onion. So the first thing you do is you make the garlic vinaigrette. It's super simple, and I make it on the stove because roasted garlic tastes a lot better to more people than raw garlic does. So all you do is roast the garlic and shallots with olive oil on the stove, and then you mix that garlicky olive oil with some red wine vinegar, some salt and pepper, and just whisk it all together. You leave that aside, and that is all you need for the dressing. This dressing will come in handy for many things besides just this salad. You could use it on any sort of green leaf salad as well. So after that, I like to prep the cucumbers, which I call cukes. And so all you do is you peel the cucumbers, you slice off the ends, cut the cucumber down the middle, and then you hollow out using a spoon or a grapefruit spoon. You hollow out the middle seeds of the cucumber so the seeds are completely removed, and then you just dice up the cucumber. It only takes a minute or two, and it's so delicious to use summer fresh cucumbers. And so next you just assemble all of the ingredients. The cucumbers go in, the red pepper dices, the tomatoes, the mozzarella, the red onion, and after all of the ingredients are incorporated in, now make sure you're using a really large bowl here. So once the ingredients are all incorporated in, it's time to add the dressing that you just made. And after the dressing, you just throw in some fresh basil, which really brings a beautiful fragrance to this dish. You toss it all together, and you either serve it immediately or you chill it in the fridge for about a day. Now, if you're going to chill all the vegetables diced up in the fridge for any longer than that, just make sure to add the fresh basil right before you're going to serve it, because the fresher the basil, the better. So I hope that you enjoyed this side dish. It's one of my favorites. I've been making it for years. We love having it in the fridge to have a delicious snack or barbecue side dish. I make this salad about once or twice a month.
Well, I hope I've inspired you to try making your own delicious cucumber caprese salad. It's a great one to bring to potlucks, and it's also one that I love having in the fridge just to snack on when we're hungry throughout the day. And it's also good for those late night, like, oh, I want a snack after dinner cravings. So hope you enjoy this recipe and have a wonderful day. Cheers!